Hi, I'd like to get an apartment.
Well, it looks like I have one left, so just fill out this application and bring it back when you're done. I'll hold it for you in the meantime.
Thank you. Hopefully I can fill this out before she forgets about me. I finished the application.
I don't remember giving you an application.
Well, you did because I have it. Can I have the apartment?
I'm sorry, but I have it on hold for that gentleman right there.
But it was supposed to be on hold for me.
I'm all done with the application, ma'am.
You took my apartment.
I'm sorry, what's going on? Excuse her. He did not. Now you're going to have to leave.
Hi, I would like to get an apartment today.
Okay, well, here's an application, and just bring it back whenever you're finished.
Can you just stay right here? I'll fill it out really quick, and then we can go up there together.
As long as it's quick. And here are your keys.
Thank you so much.
Ow.
Oh, sorry.
Aren't you that girl that accused me of stealing her apartment?
Yeah. Wait. You remember me?